Let me be very clear from the start. The investment didn't fail you. You failed the investment. Not land, not apartments, not circles, not money market funds, not even that insurance policy. The real loss happened before you invested a single shilling. When you started without a clear objective, a system, or even a plan. You lost because you started without clarity, structure, and intent. And by the end of this video, you'll clearly see why blaming the investment keeps you stuck year after year. The hidden setup mistake that silently kills returns, and how high-earning Kenyan professionals quietly fix this without starting over again every year. Stay with me. If you're new here, my name is Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I have worked with Kenyan professionals, people employed in places like Safaricom, KCB, Bamburi Cement, Unilever, NGOs, audit firms, people who earn very well, but many of whom feel financially stuck. Many of my clients today have reliable rental income, clear financial systems, multiple income-producing assets, and most importantly, they have peace of mind. Not because they chased hot investments, but because they learned how to start properly. Let's talk about the stories that we tell ourselves. Myth number 1, this investment fails me. It sounds reasonable, doesn't it? You trusted the salesperson. The brochure looks solid. The numbers sounded convincing. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Most investments don't fail. They are mismatched. The hidden cost, locked up money, stress when you realize that money will not be enough to pay whatever you wanted to pay with it, and that quiet panic of realizing that you can't exit without losses. Myth number 2, land is safe. It can't go wrong. Land feels Kenyan. It feels solid. It feels responsible. But land with no income, no timeline, and no exit plan is not safety. It's frozen capital. The real cost, years of zero cash flow, continued dependence on salary, and delayed freedom dressed up as patience. Myth number 3, the problem is I didn't invest enough. This one hurts because you already earn well. The truth, amount is rarely the issue. Structure always is. Without structure, even millions get wasted politely. Here is the principle I want you to tattoo on your thinking. Returns don't come from the investment. They come from the way you start. Say it differently. Clarity before capital. Structure before strategy. Intent before instruments. This matters more now than it ever has because cost of education is skyrocketing. Jobs are uncertain, and retirement years are longer and bleaker than ever before. If you start wrong, you spend years correcting. If you start right, progress compounds quietly. Let me tell you about James. James is a senior professional, earning a good income, is a disciplined saver, and a responsible person. Years ago, he was sold an education policy. It was guaranteed, safe, and a perfect investment for his child's future. He committed faithfully. Fast forward several years later, when university fees came into focus, James did the math. The proceeds would not be enough. Exiting early came with brutal penalties. Liquidity, almost zero. That's when reality hit. This wasn't going to work. James hadn't chosen a bad product. He had started with the wrong question. Once we worked together, everything changed. Clear time horizons, flexible unit trust structure, liquidity for fees, better returns, and zero panic. Same money, different start and different outcome. Let me break down this into 5 simple filters you must apply before investing. Number 1, liquidity. How fast can you access your money when life happens? Ignore this and emergencies become disasters. Apply it and money works with your life. Number 2, time horizon. Is this money for 2 years or 20? Mismatch this and frustration is guaranteed. Number 3, flexibility. Can you adjust contributions, pause, or redirect? Rigid structures punish real life. Number 4, the required return. What does this money actually need to do for you? Prestige doesn't pay school fees. Cash flow does. Number 5, its role in your system. Is this for growth, income, safety, or opportunity? When every shilling has a job, progress accelerates. You might be thinking, but I'm not good with investments. Well, you don't need brilliance. You need a system. What if I choose wrong again? That's why structure comes before products. I don't have time. Confusion consumes more time than clarity ever will. This isn't about intelligence, it's about guidance. Here is what you can do this month, even with a busy job and family. Step number 1, write down everything you own and owe. No judgment, just truth. Step number 2, decide what you actually want, cash flow or image. Step number 3, learn a few basics, compounding, cash flow, liquidity, ROI. Step number 4, stop guessing alone, build a support team. Step number 5, plug into a proven roadmap instead of trial and error. Small clarity beats big income with confusion. This is exactly what I help clients do inside my financial freedom coaching program. We don't chase products, we build personal money systems. Clients come in stressed and live with clear direction, properly matched investments, and confidence in their next move. If this video hit close to home, here is your next logical step. Book a free one-on-one strategy session with me. In that session, we will get a true picture of your financial reality. We will build a custom roadmap from income to assets. And this gives you confidence and clarity to act immediately. Spots for this strategy session are limited, and this is for high-earning professionals who are tired of restarting every year. Let me ask you, have you ever invested in something that looked right but felt wrong later? Please tell me in the comments. And also, like this video and subscribe. Share it with somebody who needs this message. I'm here to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to real financial freedom. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.